Alright, this got my attention. This is from the Register. This person writes, why Chromebooks are the new Immortals of tech. Where have I heard Immortals before? Oh yeah, in the movie 300. This is Sparta! So this person writes, a decade of support is much better deal than what Microsoft or Apple will give you. Yes, a decade is pretty good support. This guy runs computers till the end. He says, thanks to Linux, I have PCs that are closing in on 20 years of useful life. Don't have 20 years of useful life here, but I do have 12 years of useful life running Linux. He says, in theory, Windows comes with 10 years of support, yet in practice, we all know they tend to slow down. That is true. Major Mac OS versions are only maintained for 3 years. 3 years? For a $2,000 computer? Holy crap. Now Google is promising a decade, 10 years of support. He says, I like it. Me too. He says, why? Because Chromebooks already last forever. Maybe there should be a new James Bond movie. Instead of Diamonds Are Forever, Chromebooks Are Forever. This person has a 2013 Google Pixel, and he's still running it. Wow. For 10 years. Huh. So this person was able to install the Chrome OS Flex. Okay, I won't read all of this. Check it out. This is from the Register. Pretty cool article. Yes, Chromebooks. They're taking over the Linux world. Impressive. Chromebooks are forever, forever.